Confused about artificial intelligence, don't know where to start, or learning randomly but still not job ready? Then this is the only AI roadmap you need in 2026. Hey, welcome back to the channel ScopeIIT. I'm Aishwarya and I'll help you build a real career in AI. If you're serious about building a career in AI, this video will save you months, maybe even years of confusion. Because today I'm not giving you a random roadmap, I'm giving you a roadmap based on real IT industry requirements. Before we go step by step, you need to understand the bigger picture. This is the exact flow the IT industry follows. First, the Python, then working with the data, next, machine learning, followed by deep learning. Then comes generative AI, which is the most in demand skill right now. And finally, deployment, building real projects and becoming job ready. If you know this exact order, you will stay ahead of 90% of beginners because most people don't fail in AI, they just follow the wrong path. Now, coming to step one is your foundation. And trust me, you cannot skip this. If your basics are weak, nothing in AI will make sense later. You need to start with the Python, not just syntax, but real problem solving. Focus on writing logic, understanding how code works, and thinking like a developer. Along with that, you need basic mathematics, linear algebra, probability, statistics. Don't worry, you don't need to become a mathematician. Just understand the intuition, why things works, not just how. Finally, start using libraries like NumPy and Panda. These are the tools you'll use to actually work with the data. Remember, no strong foundation means no career in AI. Next comes data handling, and this is where AI actually starts becoming real because in AI, data is everything. If your data is bad, your model will be bad. Simple. So, first, you need to learn how to clean data, removing missing values, fixing errors, and preparing it properly. Then comes data analysis, understanding patterns, trends, and insights in your data. And finally, data visualization, turning raw data into charts and graphs that actually make sense. This is where tools like Pandas and Matplotlib come into play, and yes, even your Excel. Because before building AI models, you need to understand the data first. Now we enter the core of AI, that is machine learning. This is where system actually starts learning from the data instead of being explicitly programmed. Here you'll work on three main types of problems, such as first one is regression, which means where you predict continuous values like house prices and all. Second is classification, where you categorize data like spam or not spam emails. And the third one is clustering, where you group similar data without predefined labels. But learning algorithms is not enough. You must also understand how to evaluate your models. Things like accuracy, precision, and recall. These tell you how good your model actually is. To implement all this, you'll use tools like SkyKit Learn. And don't just learn theory, start building simple projects like house price prediction or a spam email classifier. Because AI, what you build matters more than what you know. Next level is deep learning. This is where AI becomes really powerful and starts solving complex real world problems. Deep learning is based on neural network system inspired by how the human brain works. First, you'll mainly learn three important things here. First one is neural networks, the main foundation of the deep learning. Second comes CNN, convolutional neural networks. These are used for image related tasks like image classification and object detection. And the third one is RNN and LSTM. These are used for sequence data such as text, speech, or time series data. To build these models, you'll use powerful frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. And this is where your projects become very exciting, like building an image classifier or a real time object detection system. This is the stage where your AI starts to feel intelligent. Now comes a very important step, that is specialization. At this stage, you don't try to learn everything. You choose your path based on your interest and go deep into it. There are four major roles you can choose from. First is AI engineer, focused on building, training, and deploying machine learning models. And then second one is data scientist, focused on analyzing data and extracting business insights. Third one is NLP engineer, working with a text based AI like chatbots, translation, and language models. And the last one is computer vision engineer, working with images and videos like face detection and object recognition. Don't try to master all of them. Pick one, build strong skills, and go deep. Because depth in one skill is far more valuable than shallow knowledge in everything. Now comes the most important part in 2026, that is generative AI. This is the technology behind tools like ChatGPT and other large language models. Unlike traditional AI, this can generate content, text, images, code, even conversations. And this is exactly what companies are hiring for right now. You learn things like prompt engineering, how to ask the right question to get the best result from AI. Then comes fine tuning, customizing models for specific tasks or business needs, and also RAG, retrieval augmented generation, which helps AI use real time or external data for better answers. With these skills, you can build powerful applications like AI chatbot, resume analyzers, content generators, and smart assistants. If you want to stay relevant in AI, this is a skill you cannot ignore. Now comes the most ignored but most important step, deployment. Because building a model is not enough. You need to make it usable in real world applications. And this is exactly where most people fail. You need to convert your model into an API using tools like Flask or Fast API. An API allows your AI model to communicate with apps, websites, or users. Then comes deployment on a cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. This is where your model actually runs and becomes accessible to users. For example, a chatbot on a website or an AI tool used by real customers. No deployment means no real world applications. And in most startups, no deployment means no job. Now comes the next most important part, which is projects. Because in AI, what you build matters more than what you know. Certificates don't get you jobs, projects do. Don't just watch tutorials, don't just complete courses. Start building real applications. For example, build an AI chatbot that can answer questions intelligently, or an image caption generator that can describe images automatically, or even a recommendation system like what you see on Netflix or Amazon. These are the kinds of projects that recruiters actually look at. When they see your GitHub or portfolio, they want proof of your skills. So don't just learn AI, build AI. Let me tell you the biggest mistake beginners make. They try to learn everything at once. They jump from topic to topic without any clear directions. And that's exactly why they get confused and give up. If you follow this roadmap step by step, you can become job ready in AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in the next video, we'll start with Python for AI from scratch. Let's build your AI career together.